back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. We are keeping all of our job leads short and sweet the next few days so that all of you can get on to your holiday celebrating. I wish everyone viewing my videos the happiest times with friends and family over the next week if you are celebrating the holidays. But the big company TaskRabbit, they are hiring a customer support representative. Now, this is remote within the United States. TaskRabbit is a company that you can hire to do small tasks. So, kind of like DoorDash and Uber Eats, people sign up and then they deliver your food. TaskRabbit, people sign up to be a tasker and then people hire them to do different things like putting furniture together or different things like that. They are used by IKEA. If when you order something from IKEA, you want it not only delivered but put together, but they are looking for someone to work their customer service aspect, learning and able to assist customers in their TaskRabbit experiences across their dual-sided marketplace. So you'll handle booking support requests, driving retention, and ease of use. You'll efficiently address and solve user issues primarily via their live channels while maintaining and exceeding KPIs aimed at customer satisfaction, productivity, and accuracy. You'll be organized, accountable, and responsible for all your interactions with the customers. You'll anticipate and respond with energy to new challenges and unfamiliar and urgent requests. Now, they do offer multiple shifts. It says it's a 40-hour week position, but they're open 7 days a week from 7:45 a.m. to 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. So they have all different shifts available during those time zones, and they do provide 2 consecutive days off. So it's 5 days on, 2 days off, and shifts are provided ahead of training, and they offer new shifts in a bid several times a year. They are paying $17.50 an hour, but if that sounds like you, they are looking for someone who has great people skills with at least 1 year of customer service experience, someone who has great empathy, courtesy, and kindness for people, someone who has great writing skills, can be a critical thinker, and great communication skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.